friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making peanut butter stuffed dates. For this easy, healthy snack, all we need is just two ingredients: pitted dates and peanut butter. So this is so simple and so healthy. If you're craving something sweet and trying to stay healthy, this really hits the spot. So what you need to do is super simple. Just cut dates in half. So those dates need to be pitted because we don't want the pit in the middle. So just cut it in half and open it like this. And we're going to stuff them with peanut butter. So first I'm just going to cut in as many dates as I want to make at once. And now I'm going to add the peanut butter to the inside of dates. Perfect, super easy. So it just took a minute to make this perfect, healthy snack or dessert. Tastes so good. It's a perfect combination. Dates are super sweet, naturally, without any added sugar, and it goes so well with peanut butter. So now let's try it. So good. If you're a fan of peanut butter desserts, you will love it. And best of all, it's actually good for you. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. I have lots of easy recipes like this. I'm all about being simple. So many tasty things can be made very simply with few ingredients. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. And visit my free online community, everydaycookingclub.com, to exchange other easy recipes or ask me any cooking questions. Again, it's everydaycookingclub.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!